Your notes. Good morning. I'm going to talk about a small part of the tree protection standard. Tree protection standard is quite unusual compared to other standards because if we talk about tree assessment, it's when you do how to do the tree assessment on the spot. When you do the tree pruning, how to prune the tree. It's not about the process. It's not about deciding about pruning. This standard is unusual because it talks about the process. And in many cases, it requires our change in our attitude and management of trees because we need to change the way we work. And that's the most difficult part. So we can talk about technologies, tree-friendly technologies, but if they are not applied at early stage, then it's going to be difficult. So this is the most challenging thing in implementing this standard, is to get it in the right place with the right people. As we know, I think out of all activities that we do with trees, investment construction process involves cooperation with most people, and it goes between different institutions, different people. It means the process is complicated. The process of getting from A to B is a difficult one, and that's the most difficult part, and that's what we talk today before my presentation. And the part that I'm talking about is present in the standard in the chapter 5, I think 5, on page 22. So we talked about tree survey, we talked yesterday, Anna talked about valuation methods, and now a small part about tree categories. So how can we use another tool to help us make better decisions? And in a footnote we say that it is loosely based on British standard. Chris already mentioned the British standard, and that's a slide from British standard where you have the evaluation method, where you have different categories.